Welcome to this how-to guide for SENTRO X. This video will explain how to install and power up your SENTRO X unit. Firstly, locate SENTRO X in a suitable position for your gas detection requirements. SENTRO X main housing unit has two MA fixing holes to attach the unit to suitable locations. Remove the front of the SENTRO X to gain access to the internal terminal compartments. Using a standard Allen key, remove the 4 M6 screws from the fixing holes. There's two M20 cable gland entries at the bottom of the SENTRO X unit. Using one of these entries, connect the SENTRO X to a suitable intrinsically safe power supply. Dedicated lever lock power terminals are provided in order to install the conductors. Using the other entry, there's an option to connect SENTRO X to Ethernet. Reinstall the front of the SENTRO X back to the main unit. Apply power to the SENTRO X to turn device on. Be sure to check out our next video where we'll run you through installing a G-block into the main SENTRO X housing unit and start detecting for gases. Go to youtube.com/@TrollXUK for more videos now.